The flood coolant system should be used when grinding larger drills where you're taking a lot of material off, and also heat-sensitive materials such as carbide. You should also use the flood coolant when you're dressing. This keeps the amount of dust generated down on the machine. You should position the nozzle right above the tool, so as you're grinding, the coolant is coming right down into the junction between the tool and the grinding wheel. To help accomplish this, there's also an adjustable air deflector. So as you dress the wheel down, you slide a deflector down close to the wheel. It keeps the air from blowing the coolant away. As far as the type of coolant to use, I recommend using, in most cases, a water-soluble oil. Some of the synthetics are good also. The ratio you should use is probably about 50 to 1. You should get a coolant that has a good level of rust inhibitor built in. And as far as the cleaning, there's a 2-part tank. The grit and swarf goes down into one side and overflows and goes into the other. So recommend maybe every 6 months check to see that it's not full, and also then dump the whole system and clean it out.